It has been my pleasure working with Brian. He has come along at a time that really answered some of the needs that I felt my practice needed to address. I like being an orthodontist. I like creating smiles. My passion isn't marketing, reaching out to people, and I actually found the whole process and system just overwhelming, and so I would tend to put it on the back burner. I don't need to deal with this. I could diagnose that case, and that was more comfortable and it was easier. What Brian did for me was just amazing. He came in and discussed some of our ideas and made suggestions on marketing, reaching our customers, on our potential customers, simple things to profound things, things like who's the focus on? Are we focusing on ourselves? Are we focusing on providing benefits to the person who is seeking our services or potentially seeking our services? Things like how many sentences started with me, my, our, us, or how many sentences started with you, or the benefit to you. This is why you should do this, or these are your options, was huge and totally changed our materials, our write-ups, and really how we structured our website. At the time I was really struggling with my website, and because once again it was overwhelming and there are so many things that you can do, and it's really hard to narrow it down to what is going to give you the most return on your investment of both time and money and focus. And Brian did a great job of making suggestions for us, trying different things, and we really have seen a huge increase on the return of our marketing efforts in both materials and the internet, which has been fabulous. Brian didn't say you have to order package A, and he didn't try to fit me into a cookie cutter where some of the big companies say, okay, you want to market, you need to write the check for this amount and you'll do XYZ. Brian really listened to what my practice was like, what our ideas were, suggestions on how we could improve our outreach, improve our message, and did a great job of helping us focus our time and energy on achieving those goals. One of the things that he helped, besides really helping us get our website launched into a product that really I was proud of, that many patients and potential patients have said they really enjoyed seeing our website because it provided them a lot of information beforehand. But we took it a step farther once we got that launched, of doing some videos, and those videos have been extremely creative, very easy on our part, and our patients and their friends have really enjoyed looking at the before and after. I've looked at the demographics on our website, and they come to my homepage, they look at our videos, and they want to read about the doctor. And it's interesting to see that kind of the focus and how we could really use those things to deliver the message of there are ways that we can help people create smiles that are easier than they were in the past. And I really thank Brian for all of his help in helping us move forward. And I'm also excited about the steps that he's going to suggest, because every time I talk to Brian, he always has a wealth of ideas. I probably keep him too long because I like asking him questions, and I love just all the information he has about so many diverse fields. So thank you, Brian, for all your help.